I just made that. Well, your boy's recharged. I've chilled. Well, I haven't. I've edited one video and uploaded two. Well, I'm on the second one now. So, I've just had a KFC. Fucking that Grab app. Look, there's a bit of KFC still on me bloody t-shirt. That Grab app is fucking insane. I just got about 20 grand's worth of KFC for like tenner. Along with 2 Pepsis. So that'll be me for the night now. I really want to try and get a stream up, but I just don't know if I'm going to have the time or not. Like, I don't know if... well, I've got the time, but I don't know if, like, I'm in it, do you know what I mean? I'd rather be doing it when I'm more vibey. I'm pretty bollocks still. So, who knows? I'll see you soon, whatever it is. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I've had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful sleep. I'm feeling so much more refreshed and recharged. Legs still hurting, but foot seems to be a lot better. I am just coming back to the condo, and I am going to pay for today's hotel. I managed to stay in the same place, which is absolutely fantastic. They had an extra room, so it's a different room, but in the same place. So I have to fucking lug my bags around. But it's a rainy one here in Chiang Mai today. Not crazy, but enough to... It's spitting, everybody in, who remembers that? So, need to think of some outdoorsy stuff. Got something booked at 4 o'clock, which is real cool. Stick around for that. But for now, I don't know. We'll see what we get up to. I don't know what sort of divine timing that is. I decided to go to sleep and just, you know, chill out for a bit. I had booked something. They were meant to arrive at 3:20. I woke up at 3:16. Thank fuck I've not missed it. I genuinely do not know what type of divine timing that is, but I made it, got quickly dressed, and I'm on my way there now. Jesus, I've been saved with that one, cause first impressions are absolutely lovely. She waited here, dropped me a message, she's picked me up in this lovely car. It's quite comfy as well. There's 6 of us. She drops me off as well. I mean, you don't know what it is yet. We still have to wait and see, but first impression is lovely. Obviously, I mention whenever I go, when I get there, I'll show you it and I'll tell you, is it good or is it shit? This girl's a mad one. You should definitely come here. But this is a local market, so the prices are cheaper. Look at that bad boy. Hello. So, yeah, she's nuts, bro. So, that's the tour guide. I'll link the thing, but yeah, this is the local market, man. This ain't no bougie shit. These guys are grafting from 10 till 4, bro. Do you know what I mean?
I just ordered some snacks for you guys in the car.
Oh.
And then when you get so hungry.
Nah. Yeah, I do get angry, to be fair. She's working in 5-star, I don't know what that is. She's bagging up bass. Oi, oi. Yes. Bagging up green. It's obscene. I'm a freestyling man. But this is crazy, look. She's just picking up the stuff that we need. So we're going to cook with this stuff. I'm going to cook with this stuff. Big Mubski.
More spicy. Yeah, more spicy.
You can do that one.
We're going to use it for your soup.
You're better with the spices.
For your soup. We call berside and we will put inside your...
She said if you're sexy, firm one. I firm one. And I'm not sexy. That's fucked me. I'll take anything.
I don't know if it will help.
Well, fuck that, mate. That was honestly, I did that that was rotten. Oh my god.
So I had it down and I've just done
Yeah, thank you.
on the right hand side of my mouth. So
Yeah.
this side of my mouth.
Just to like change the flavour in your
Yeah, 100%. I've actually been fucked there, stitched up, so if you don't know, she gave me a chili, and I thought I'd confirm it being a bad boy, but I couldn't. But I'm dying, boys. Things I do for you. Like the hot section. So I do like authentic curries and things like that. Bit crazy, bro. Very, very different to the markets we know, but this is local, isn't it? Boys, I feel like I might fucking shit myself, mate. That chili, mate, is blown. You guys know, I'm no pussy and I'm no stranger to when it comes to chili. That fucked me, cuz. Fucked me. Oh, Coca-Cola in the bottle. I think they're potions. I'm not sure though. I really don't want to fart, lads. I'm with a group expedition and I do not want to shit myself. That's gonna have to be arse fucking tucked, right? 5 minutes on and it's still fucking developing, lads. I've downed a full bottle of water. I don't know what chili they give me, but I thought like a fucking idiot I'd firm the full thing. And, you know, trying to be a big bastard because I can do chili, mate. And I'm dying. Mate, it was a tiny little thing as well, bruv. It was like that and it's just gone bang, burnt me, honestly. Bubble bang, bang, like Fecky said. That I'm gonna call that the Fecky chili. Bubble bang. Look at this for aesthetics. This is where I'm cooking today. Been here 1 minute and I spilled a drink all over me. For fuck's sake. Big chef is more, are you mad? Are you crazy, man? This is gonna be an experience.
Low first, please. Low.
No.
Low. Be careful your eyebrow. And clear your beard. Boop. Stop.
Oh,
yeah.
stop.
And put it back here. Everyone gonna go.
I hate you.
You hit me?
No, I hate her. Sister.
In the same time. Let's go.
Okay.
Go, 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 go.
Go.
It's hot already.
Fun.
And then stir.
Sir.
Stir until your garlic looks crispy and yellow. Now mix together and chop your chicken. Break it up. Yeah. And MK, last one, noodles. Bang. Are you okay to soy sauce a little
Yeah.
bit? See? Golden.
Ah, this one.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. We forgot too.
Aiden, right?
Aiden, yeah.
Aiden. Fresh? Is it too hot?
It's boiling, isn't it? But I've been whipping.
Yeah, because we cooked before. It's hot.
Yeah, that's the one.
Too big. Yeah, smaller, please. A bit smaller. And make it long. Get stagnant. Make it long. Long, Aiden, like this. Perfect.
Perfect first time.
Make it tighter. Squeeze it in. And then roll. Everyone roll slowly. Tight and round. Halfway. Half paper, please. Half. And then fold it, please. Your baby is like envelope, everyone. Hi, Daddy. Good. And just roll. Squeeze and roll. Tight and round. Ta-da!
So this is what we said.
面粉水. Yeah. Wheat flour and water. Okay, and just roll over. Wait, I'm sorry. Yeah, squeeze and roll. Yes, good job, Abby. Look at your baby.
Hot boy.
Your boy. Yeah.
Hi, Dad. What's up? And then put your baby here.
And what
And
about this bit?
Yeah, just roll.
Roll it
No,
into
and then
Okay.
just roll over.
I'll show you what I chefed up. Are you crazy?
Trying to be angry.
Me? Are you crazy?
Ah, they look good. They look like proper spring rolls.
I just made that. Time to see if it's nice. Best spring roll I've ever had.
Oh, it's good.
Officially a chef.
You can make more with oh,
Move down this way.
you're like run away.
Oh my god. It's really hard. I took
So you need to put your garlic at the bottom.
Oh, at the bottom. Okay.
At the bottom.
Bottom.
Smash it. Smack it. Ha! Ha! And then chop in half, please. In half.
I'm going to do it once
Yeah, this way, yes.
or twice.
Alright, team pad thai put together with garlic, please, with garlic. Nice. And next, team pad thai, we get something sticky. You know?
Fishy.
Dry shrimp.
Oh, try shrimp. It's tiny.
Tiny little nice ball.
Yeah.
Team pad thai, please.
Thank you.
Yeah. I don't want too strong. Yeah. Okay, guys. In half and then yeah. Forget smell stronger. I don't want to throw away. I'm sorry. We can do extra. Forget smell stronger. Side and mix together. Team pad thai. Not too much, everyone. It's about oh. Yes, Ellen. Confidence. Yeah. Good job, Ellen. Guys, can we put the lid on, please? Thank you, Cecilia.
I just made this. That.
Okay, enough oil. A lot of pasta.
Okay.
Do we mix?
Will you mix?
Mix it. I'll take taste test on the foot because I ain't got much battery. Thank you.
I'm sorry. Everyone, we can take your lemongrass, ginger, and kaffir out here on your plate because we don't eat them.
No. Let's just try this. They cooked this bit. Open that.
Everyone, the rain will coming and hopefully no windy. If we had a windy and raining together, the rain will come in my school.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bang. Try the soup. I've smashed this. I'm a shepherd's. Look where I'm eating, man. Thank God for this life. Truly blessed.
Water in and we steam about 20.
No, it might be harder to get some of the ingredients.
And then mix with the chili paste. So
unheard of.
Yeah, that's mad actually. Down south it's like
Yeah.
always paying for it.
Never.
Yeah, it's mad as well because my parents are from Scotland.
Yeah.
And the curries are so different up there.
Oh, yeah.
To the ones that we get, like.
Yeah. Yeah, this is like Chiang Mai's like
This
dishes.
is, yeah. That's why I did it. I was like,
Yeah,
right.
I've not tried it yet.
Neither have I.
No.
So.
But even if I have a good experience.
It was a
about
terrible one.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's good. I'm sure it will be.
And we're finally done. Last dish. I think it's called khao or khao, not khao, but anyway, it's Chiang Mai's like favourite dish, and I cooked it, motherfucker. Look at that, bro.
It went viral.
I know this one is viral, but
Yeah.
I mean, black
Bad boy.
Blackpink in the UK, some. Not
Some
very
good.
big, but some. Thailand, very big though.
I've done
All
unreal.
the students
Unreal.
like love them.
Who said I ain't a chef? It's not all sun around these ends. Take a look at this.
Recommend Thailand for that. Beijing, more than Shanghai.
It's like being in UK again. Anyway, I'm gonna lock the vlog off there. I was gonna go to the night market, but I can't. Oh, you can't even hear me. I can't because it's raining. So I'm gone. I'll see you soon.